Chukwu kike Abba Father Ibukwa oke mmụọ Ochie dike n'agha Papa nkuku akpọrọ gị oke mmụọ Oje na mmụọ
We worship you.
Ibe ebube dike n'agha Oke mmụọ is your name. The spirit of the spirit. You are the spirit of the Most High God. Onwegonye dika gị. Oke mmụọ na-eri oke aja. Eze bụ onwegonye dika gị. Ọkwa gị kwuru okwu na mba okechi m. Ọ ga-emezuo na mba ọzọ.
Oke mmụọ. Oke mmụọ. You are the covenant keeping God.
Covenant keeping God.
Oke mmụọ.
Jehovah.
You are the covenant keeping God.
Onye mmeri. Covenant keeping God. You are my covenant keeping Father. Covenant keeping God. You are my covenant keeping Father. I have come so far with you. There is no turning back. All you have promised me, Baba, you have fulfilled them all. You are not a man that you should lie. Whatever you say, you will do. I have found rest in you. You are Jehovah Jireh. You can never, never fail. Okay, one with you is majority. I put my trust in you. I have no fear in you. My confidence is in you. Because you can never fail. You are the covenant keeping God. Okay, more.
Oke mmụọ. You are the covenant keeping God.
Covenant keeping God.
Oke mmụọ.
Jehovah,
You are the covenant
you are the
keeping God.
covenant keeping God.
Oke mmụọ.
Eze mo.
You are the covenant keeping God.
Okay,
Oke mmụọ.
okay, more. Okay,
You are the
more.
covenant keeping God.
Okay, more.
Oke mmụọ.
Eze
You are the
mo.
covenant keeping God.
Ọba tóbi yẹ.
Oke mmụọ.
Eze mo.
You are the covenant keeping God.
Jehovah is your name. You're the only living God. Oh, Okaka, 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 Chimoma. Ebube dike n'agha, there is nothing you cannot do. You are the covenant keeping God. You are the covenant keeping God. Agents of your sick, yes, you never ever die. Okay, more is your name.
Oke mmụọ.
Okay,
You are the covenant keeping God. Oke mmụọ. You are the covenant keeping God. Oke mmụọ. Oke mmụọ. You are the covenant keeping God. Oke mmụọ. You are the covenant keeping God. Oke mmụọ.
Oke mmụọ.
You are the covenant keeping God. Oke mmụọ. You are the covenant keeping God.
All the battles around me, they are forcing me to go back. Okay, more God of victory, I know you will deliver me. But I've made up my mind to serve you till the end. Akwa ekwensu kpawe kete kpacha oke mmụọ yikọrọ masịrị o. Eze n'ime dị elenu m'obi. Onye mmeri. Chioma ịgụgọla n'umobi o. Onye ga-emere m ihe ihe. Chioma. You are the covenant keeping God. Agbawo dịka Samaria, eze mmụọ onye